Hello, Professor. Doing homework assignment number 3 for videos, which is teaching math and science. The articles are the two following. We're also doing midterms. I first want to talk about teaching about global warming in the trucking community, where students learn that they can help to stop global warming without changing their entire culture and lifestyle, especially in the trucking community that the teacher is teaching in. She goes into this subject in science about how bad global warming is affecting us and the diesel fuels, and these kids grow up with their parents being truckers and stuff, and they're told, she's teaching them that this is bad and it's a horrible thing and we're ruining our planet. And, when you're affecting kids' lives in that aspect, she does a great job on finding a new way to introduce recycling and making it still count towards we can all make a difference in the world, which I thought was very interesting. She goes in to say, they end up getting their school to start recycling is, the object of the article is helping these students realize that yes, you can, keep your culture the same and still grow up and be a trucker if that's what you want to do. And as technology evolves, I feel that will definitely help us as well. The big part that I thought that was awesome is how she helped the kids take action against global warming and turning out to helping their school transition into recycling. Especially in schools nowadays, we use so much paper, and even at the college, I know that we recycle their paper and plastic and stuff like that, which makes a huge environmental impact. I did a research paper a couple semesters ago on plastic bottles, and the average plastic bottle will last in our environment, in our landfills, for over 700 years. So it's our children's that will be dealing with the actions that we make today. So it's always, in the long run, I think, yes, we are spending more money in recycling, and maybe the effects aren't showing now, but I think they will in the long run. And what's great about this teacher is she shows how they can take action and get their whole in school. They got their entire school from a non-recycling school to a recycling school, which says in here, average of 5 pounds per waste per day, and the amount increased by more than 15% over the past 3 years. The students made such a difference that they decreased it by 5%, which was a huge impact, and I think it helped the students realize that they can make a difference without sacrificing everything they know. The other article, math, my favorite subject, was, I thought, unbelievably cool that a math teacher can take some real life experiences and apply that into math. And I think that's a huge part of math, is taking a real life, a real world experience and applying that to math. I think it helps make math realistic for kids and helps them want to learn math because they don't realize that math is in their everyday lives. And I think when we integrate everyday life with math, it'll help students want to learn it and not be so afraid of it. So the idea of the article was overcrowding in their school, and their school also had a bunch of other problems with roofing and leaks and the amount of space that they could actually use in their school because their school needed so many updates. The teacher helps the students use their current math that they were learning and be able to write letters to these school boards and school district to help them get the money not only do they need to fix their school, but to also build and add on to their school, because the math was there. It proved, hey, you're sitting so many kids in this tiny amount of space and we're expected to learn and you're not giving us that safe and comfortable environment, which is required, you know, for students to learn. And I thought it was neat that she got them to make the spreadsheets and stuff and show them, hey, this is the math. You can't bluff math. Math is math. It's the facts. It's hard proof that we need help, and we want you to help us. And it was neat that she gave the students the opportunity to write the letters to really hopefully open up the eyes of her local school board so that they can get the help that they need so their school can succeed. Thank you so much for listening to my video.